Good morning, dear friends. I am Dr. Rajin M. Linus, Associate Professor and HOD of Electrical Engineering Department at Sanjay Godavat University, Kolhapur. The last two classes we have learned about what is meant by high specific energy, high specific power, then why we need to go for high specific energy and high specific power. And apart from that, we have learned that how we can manage with this energy sources, what are the energy sources is having high specific power, high specific energy, especially battery and lithium ion battery. We feel that they when compared with other batteries, it is having high specific energy and high specific power. So in this lecture, we are going to learn about the importance of battery management system. So if the battery management system is not there, what are the issues will come? So how one can deal with the battery management system, main block diagram of battery management system, and what are the components and what are the duties of battery management system, everything we are going to learn today. So as far as this battery management system, we have that normal cases, we have this issues we have to understand what are the issues of without battery management system and needness of battery management system. So as far as this battery management system is concerned, normally if the battery management system is not there, so safety is the important factor for battery management, important parameters, important concern of battery management system. So in the safety in the sense, sometimes due to the increase in temperature of the batteries, everything, that car will catch fire. So we have to avoid this. So for avoiding this also, battery management system will take a main key role for avoiding this catching fire. What it will do, it will measure the temperature system. It will measure this temperature, whatever I am showing in the right side, continuous temperature measurements will be there. The charging and discharging time, we already know, if the battery is fully charged also, there is having there is an increase in temperature. If the battery is very low also, there is having that increase in temperature. So this battery management system, it will measure this temperature, it will measure this temperature. So if we need the requirement of cooling system, automatically it will activate the cooling system to reduce the temperature. Some cases the temperature will be more, but also we need a safe mode. Motor should our electrical vehicle should operate in the safe mode. So that also can be initiated by this battery management system. Also, it will avoid overcharging and the high security for that human being also from this shock. So these are all the safety point of view this battery management system will take care. So it will avoid catching fire. If it is not there, it is very difficult. Battery management system is not there, very difficult to manage. Catching fire we can avoid by using continuous temperature measurement, or maybe by using cooling system, or otherwise activating safe mode operation. So also it will overcharging. It will give the alarm for overcharging. Also it will take care of avoid the shock the human being, to avoiding the shock between the human being and the person. Then second one in this issues are performance optimization of this electrical vehicle. So analyze how much current can safely go during this charging. That also it will take care. Then communicate with the motor controller. Sometimes if the battery is having low charge, so during discharge there is having a less charge. So what happen, automatically it will give a controller, motor controller, the signals that don't draw extra power from the battery, already charge is very low. So that will also it will take in account as a part of performance optimization. So another one, if the battery power is low, very much less, it is discharged fully, automatically it will provide the alarm to that charging system to charge the battery. Then another one for the regenerative action, for controlling the regenerative braking. We already know for the regenerative braking, the whatever the energy will be recovered to the battery. So it will control the regenerative braking concept also. Then provide cell balancing. Cell balancing means, what is mean by battery? Battery is nothing but no, all some couple of battery cells are connected together. So at a time, all these cells should not be charged, at the time should not be discharged. So we have to maintain the voltage level and of the battery pack by using the cell balancing. Someone, if you want to discharge, another one has to be charged. Like that, we have to make some arrangement, voltage level also. That will be also as a part of our performance optimization in this battery our electrical vehicle. This battery management system, which will give the vital role for this also. Then another one, health monitoring and diagnosis. I already told state of charge, what is meant by state of charge, what is meant by state of power, what is meant by state of health. So it will estimate what is the state of charge, and whether it will give the alarm that whether we need to charge it immediately by measuring state of charge. Then state of power, it will analyze the power of how much power is available in the battery, whether this power is sufficient to charge that charge the motor. Then third one is state of health. The state of health also another one parameter. State of health in the sense whether we can charge and discharge the battery again and again, what is the lifespan of the battery. So everything can be analyzed by measured by using this battery management system. Accordingly, it will give the alarm to the user to change the. So entire thing can be done by battery management system. Then another one, communication. It need to communicate with other electronic control system. More control electronics control concept systems are there. It will control each. It will give all the communication. If the charge is not there, we have to discharge. Sorry, we have to charge again. Maybe from the grid also. So like that, it will give the initiation to the grid charger to get the power from that grid. Then you take the charge. So every communications, entire communications, we can be done by this battery management system. So totally this battery management system, it will ensure smooth running of electrical vehicle. So these are all the important parameters and neediness of battery management system. Then another one, in this battery management system, normally it is an electronic system. This normally, what is first you should understand what is battery management system. It is a electronic system. It is used to manage rechargeable battery, operate safely and effectively. That is what I have already told. Then there is summarizing what are all the main parameters of battery, main importance of battery management system. It will measure individual cell voltage, temperature and current in order to balance the cell balancing everything. It will also take it in account. Then I already told you, same time all the cells should not be happen to charge or discharge. So everything it will take care. Then another one, thermal management also. I already told you, if we need a temperature, automatic temperature is increases, it will cooling system will activated. Then over voltage, over current and over heat protection also estimate state of charge, state of power and state of health. In this next slide, we are going to learn about what is the main, what is meant by battery, what is the main block diagram of battery management system. Already we know battery is nothing but more cells are connected together or series or parallel based on the demand of current and the voltage. So in this, the total connection of combination of all the cells connected together is called as battery pack. In the battery pack, it will measure the temperature, current and voltage of each cell. Then another one, accordingly it will measure capacity estimation, it will measure state of health and it will measure state of charge. Then another one, thermal management as well. Also it will cell balancing. Cell balancing means whether discharging, discharging current, comment, whether how many cells has to be charged at a time, so that how we can balance the cells balancing. Everything can be by using this measurement block. After measuring the temperature, current and voltage. So this entire system is called as battery management system. Measuring entire system, and it will take care of capacity estimation, state of health, state of charge, thermal management and cell balancing. So accordingly it will work out. So entire equipment is called as battery management system. So also this all the measured things can be communicated to the controller area network to enter for proper communication and control by using bus controller. This is the main general block diagram of this electrical system, battery system with battery management system. So battery management system is nothing but measure it and give the intimation to all the other circuits for control, so that we can ensure the safety, smooth operation of this electrical vehicle. So I hope you have understood this. With this, I would like to conclude today's lecture. I would like to conclude today's lecture. The next class, we can learn about what are all the machines and how we can learn with how to design this how much power requirement of batteries, and how we can measure this power. Everything we can learn in the next class. I hope it is very helpful. These are all the videos. Those who have liked this channel, kindly subscribe it and give a comment on it. I am getting more comments. Accordingly, I am correcting myself also. So that is, you are the motivator for me. So motivators for me. So kindly subscribe this channel if you like it. And if you don't like some of the topics, anything is there, please comment on it. Wish you all the best. Thank you.